everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. Today we want to show us how to create a perfect circle. Sometimes we need that perfect circle to form either the base of our bag, so we're making a bag, or the two sides of a bag, or what we really need is to maybe create a mandala of sorts, but we sometimes end up with a polygon rather than a circle. So this orange supposedly circle turned out to be a hexagon at the end of the day, and the reason is that we made increases at the same spots. If you notice, look at these angles here. These are the spots where the increases were made. From the first row, the increase was made in the same spot here, here, and here, like that. And so at the end of the day, we now have these angles that end up forming a polygon, in this case a hexagon rather than a circle. So I'm going to show us how to craft a perfect circle without having these angles in place. We're back. So how we started this one, we started with a magic circle. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm using a size 8mm hook, for larger stitches to make it a little bit more visible. So I started with 6 single crochet stitches in the magic circle. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull it close. And slip stitch to the first one. Alright, chain. Then my increases are going to start from here, so we're actually supposed to increase in every stitch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So altogether I now have 12 single crochet stitches in that row. So I'm going to slip stitch into the first stitch we crafted on that row. I'm sure you can hear a buzz of the children in school. My office is right beside the school, and school is in session, so you can hear the kids making noise in their classrooms. Oops, this is a bit tight. Alright, see, it's perfect now. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to increase in alternate spaces, right? So 1 single crochet here, 2 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet here, 2 single crochet in the next, 1 single crochet, 2 in the next, 1, 2 in the next, 1, 2 in the next, 1, and then the last 2 still have a nearly perfect circle, right? So we had done a single crochet and then 2 single crochets in the next, right? So now we're going to work there with that means we now have 3 stitches in which to increase. So we're now going to work a single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. Then the next set of 3, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. The next set of 3, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 1 single crochet. So watch. So I chain 1, and 1, 2, and 1. Right? So 1, 2, and 1. We have 1, 2 here, and 1. We have 1, 2 here, and 1. We have 1, 2 here, and 1. We have 1, we have 2 here, right, and 1 in the last place, right, and then we slip stitch right here. Okay, so here's what we have currently, right? So we're going to go on to the next with 2, 1, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1, oops, 1, and then the last 1, right, and then 2, 1, 1, 1, and then we have 2, right, 2 here, and then 1, 1, and 1, and then we have 2, 1, 1, and 1 in the last 3 stitch. So that being done, we now slip stitch into the first stitch from that row. Now we're going to find out if we have gotten the same number of rows here. And as you can see, we still have a perfect circle. You can't compare that with this. This is already a hexagon. Here the circle is perfect, but we've been increasing. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to work the last row. So in this previous this row we just finished working, we did a 2, 1, 1, 1. So this time around we're going to do a 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, right? 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Let's try that. So this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, right? So we have a 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 here, 1, and then the final 1. So essentially the aim is to keep your stitches, your increased stitches, as far away from the previous increased stitch row, right? To have your near perfect circle. So look at that. Compare with this. See? Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment on what you'd like to see next, project you'd like to see next, or a hack you'd like to see next, and then subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications of when we have this inspiration and crochet tips and tricks coming your way. Bye for now.